So I'm here at the house, and these spots are actually right here at the foot of my bed. I don't know what they are, but they've been here for a little bit, and I'm just tired of seeing them. So I'm going to show you guys how to get them out using Folex. So stay tuned, and we'll show you how to take care of it. Okay, so right now I'm just going to mist them. Give them a good little soak in there, and I'm going to let that sit for just a second, okay? What you commonly see, a lot of people will just take and do this right here, and if it's grease or something like that, it's just going to smear, and that little bitty spot is going to become a big spot. So anytime you're spot removing, you're going to take your finger and just kind of dab right on that spot there, and just kind of mash it in. Give that stuff a second to soak in. This will break it down if you give it just a second for it to soak in, and then you can just dab it up like I'm doing. Change parts of the rag and keep dabbing. Okay, so that one's gone just like that. I don't know what that was, like I said, but it's been there for a little bit. But I have taken out grease, and whenever you're pulling door pins and stuff like that on the job and you drop a greasy door pin on the carpet, this stuff right here does it, okay? And that's how you do it. I don't know what it was, like I said, but it came right out. Dabbing it, and always use a white rag if you're cleaning something. You don't want to use something that's a different color. I tell you, most of the time when I'm on the job, what I will do is actually grab a scrap of the carpet that I'm actually installing and use that to clean with. That way I'm not using something different colored, okay? So I just wanted to show how to do that, because a lot of people mess up and they'll just smear it like that. So that's real simple. If you'll just dab it out instead of smearing it, you'll have great results. And by the way, this bottle, you can see it's wore a whole lot. It's been on my van for I don't know how long, but it lasts a long time, and it's about, I don't know, probably about that full, and it's only like $6. So it's well worth the money, and as you can see, it works really well. So I just wanted to share that little tip. That way you can take care of your own carpet in between your professional carpet cleanings. Thank you for watching.